Hi, today I show you how to remove this cap of plastic to install the crossbar for Lexus RX350. What you need is the species of nylon bass and the screw, the flat screw. What you need is to insert the flat screw in here, from here to here, and put it up. Very easy to come out. Okay, let me show you. You put the elastic pad on the head of the last screw, and then you see the rubber seam between the rubber carpet up there, and put it in the middle. So when you put it in, it's gonna be like this, and try to slide up and down through here to here, and then use some nylon strap put in here to avoid the crash of the car. So put it up like this, gently, please. Here we go. They pop. Alright. Yeah, we all done. Alright. Now you can install that rod bar by yourself. You don't have to go to the dealer. Thank you for watching.